If you're thinking about buying a home, you may be wondering whether new construction is the right thing for you. New construction homes often offer modern designs, energy efficiency, and the ability to customize finishes to fit your style. With brand new appliances, updated layouts, and warranties that cover major systems, new homes often require less maintenance and fewer repairs compared to older homes. Another advantage of buying a new construction home is that you typically won't have to compete in a bidding war like you might with an existing home. Builders often have multiple properties available in a development, and you can sometimes choose between move-in ready properties or ones that are a few months out. Plus, new construction communities often come with great amenities like pools, walking trails, and parks. However, there are some things that you need to consider. New construction homes often take months to complete, so if you need to move quickly, they might not be the best option for you. Additionally, while they come with the latest features, they may lack the charm and character of older homes. Pricing can also be a little higher compared to resale homes, especially when you factor in updates and builder add-ons. Choosing between new construction homes and existing properties comes down to what fits your needs the best. So if you need help exploring your options between new and resale homes, give me a call at 919-740-0379. Hope you're having a great day.